Oh, the cat is so cute. So adorable. What do you think, Danielle? Oh, I think it's so cute. You cute? Okay, so he was so cute. So Danielle, can you touch the cat's fur? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna do that. Oh, so adorable. I'm gonna sleep right in the cat. Oh, so adorable. Yeah, because it's so adorable, Danielle. But the cats are so funny. I'm not confused. Oh, so adorable. Oh. I hope it's gonna be better. Yeah, it is. Look, it's so cute. Little cat. Is it called a kitty? Yeah, it is a kitty. Ah, I have an idea. So what do you think you want to play? Do you want to play a kitty? Yeah. Oh, because your cousin is a little kitty, but it's so little. Yeah. What is called her name? Cookie. Ah. Oh, Cookie is my favorite cat. Because the name is a biscuit, and it's a cookie. It has the spots on the hair. Yeah? Is there spots on the fur? What do you think it? No, you had the cat's made? What? Her mother cat is going to be a baby cat. Ah, that wasn't having no life. Alright, so she's so cute. Yeah, the girl cat is a female. Yeah, it is a female. Oh, so adorable. I love you, kitten. I love you, kitten. Kitten, I love you so much to do. Oh, so adorable. Oh, look at this. You think it has a cat's face? How do you look at this? What the hell are you doing? She's asleep. Oh, I think I'm gonna go. I'm gonna sleep on my cat. Ah. La 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 la. I love this is a wonderful day. I think I'm gonna go play with Danielle. I think so. Where's Danielle? Oh, here it is. It's up on the bed with her cat. I wanna see what it is. Ah, so cute little cat. Danielle, guess what? We got something else. What? What is this? It's a kitty. Her name is Cookie. Ah, that's a good name, but the biscuit, cookie, or the food. I mean the food, but it's a name. Ah, I'm gonna do it. Alright, so we make a kitty cat that's so adorable. You know what, Daniela? Yeah, I think it is. I'm so cute. I got a rainbow cats. What, a rainbow effect? What does that mean? I've been using it as rainbow, but I don't want to use a rainbow. Daniela, can you pet a cat? Can you pet a kitty? Sure. All right, Daniela, watch out for this because she's asleep. Don't wake up. All right. I think I'm gonna. Ooh, she was petting. Oh, so adorable. Oh, so adorable. Oh, I'm so cute. Little kitty cat. Oh. All right, I think she was sleeping. She's falling asleep. All right, I'm gonna go now. All right. Whoa. I don't I think what we have is gone. Oh, I'm gonna pet it again. Maybe I can watch the video. No, these other phones are impressive. Maybe I'm gonna watch some TV. All right. Daniella, where is it? I think she was watching the TV. Oh yeah, that was a good job. But he's so cute. It has the white fur and black spots. Oh, that's easy. Well, we could have played the kitty cat. Well, Danielle, I think her is sleeping. What is it? After she's awake. Wait, what are you doing? She's awake. You can play the kitty cat. That's awesome. I hope he's so happy about to see you. See you what? Because I'm gonna love this. Because oh, hey, look at that. That's awesome. I'm so proud of this. You don't remember? Ah, that was a good idea. I'm just scared to do this here. Oh, that's finally get it. Alright, I hope he was gonna do it. Oh yeah, I did it. Oh, say yes, I've got a new win. What you did? Let's do combat this. Ha ha ha. Woohoo! I just get a dynamite. That's it. I'm gonna search that. Wait, I just gotta search this one over here. Wow! Is it painted a pink wall? Alright. Maybe I was a... Wait. Hey, Daniela? What? I saw the pink wall. Did you do it? Well, yes, I was gonna have the... I didn't do that. Well, it was me. I was painted. Oh, good job. Well, good job. Alright. Do you remember what? Well, I'm gonna go to prepare. Okay? Bye! I hope she's going well, and I don't know. Let's use her laptop. Okay, I finally got her laptop. Now we can use some searching things. Let's go. I gotta do it. Wow, there we go. He's opened the laptop and we will go through searching. Let's turn it on. Now let's search on Google. Let's go. Finally, I was gonna search the Flash games I've never had. Danielle? Oh, I think I'm just awake. I think I'm just awake. Hey. Oh, hey, Danielle, are you awake? Yeah, I was sleeping on the cat's fur. Oh, that's so... What? She's moving her head? Yeah. Oh, I want to see that. I don't know. Okay. Oh, wow, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Oh, the cute cats. Look at the team effect. This is awesome. Yeah, it's awesome. Oh, that was so adorable kitty cat. You know what remembers what? I love kitty cats. Oh, kaboo! That is the cat turtles. Yes, it is the cat turtle. But you remember what? What? Is it black and white? Black and white. Oh, I love black and white. I love my black and white. Okay, that was the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If this is video, click like and subscribe. And you can do click like and subscribe. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna awesome. Oh, your eyes is my eye is opened. Well, don't worry. She was closing her eyes. I think one eye is opened. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like. Bye. Bye.